So it's parkrun day tomorrow, and we're going to be choosing the course on this spinning Wheel of Names website. So this year I want to do something different and choose the courses at random, keep the suspense going all week until the Friday. So I don't know where I'm going to be running until Friday. But yeah, let's give it a spin and see where I'm going to be sent. Ooh, it's Lingwood. So that's a brand new course. I've not been to that one before. So I am going to Lingwood Parkrun. Congratulations, Lingwood. Hi guys, and it's Saturday and it's parkrun day. And as you can see, we're going to be heading to Lingwood today. So let's get down to the train station, get a ticket and get down there. It's a cormorant having a swim. It's 8:03 actually, so anyway, it's not 2:18, is it? Because otherwise there'd be a long time to wait till parkrun.
Please familiarise yourselves with the safety notices on board the train.
The next stop will be Lingwood.
We are here now guys, we are in Lingwood. So let's now walk down to the village hall, get warmed up. I am familiar with Lingwood, I have done 2 festive fun runs here. Beautiful, but the course is different for parkrun. I believe it starts in the field and goes around some loops, on some trail paths. Apparently some quite big stones involved, a friend told me yesterday. But we'll see how it goes and just get down there, enjoy it and have fun. Apparently it's quite flat, so that should be okay. And we've got the trail shoes on, so some good grip on them. Hopefully get something around 40 minutes. Sorry, I've been getting around 40 minutes recently on some of my parkruns. But we'll see how it goes, you know, I mean, we're not really going for time, we're just coming out for a stretch of the legs. 6 days after the half marathon I did. So yeah, see how it goes. The facilities are quite good in this village hall. Good toilets and also a cafe bar too. Very good, good facilities. Kitchen there, getting breakfast ready. The cafe bar. Morning. Got a visitor, got a friend. Ooh. Oh, got two now. He's got 2 friends. Got 2 new friends. Hello. Are you a parkrunner? Look at you. Look at your coat. Look at your coat. You're a marshal. Doggy marshal. Well, we don't get that at every parkrun, do we? We don't get that everywhere. Well. Here's Lingwood. Guess this is the finish funnel. Nice bench. We're in the warded. Oh, you okay? Yeah, yeah, lovely. Yeah.
Okay, we are here at the finish.
Okay.
Lovely job. We're going to start over there. You can see a couple of signs over there.
Okay, lovely.
It's straight across to that marshal point over there. Back up to almost where we started, all the way around. I mean, it looks worse than it is, trust me. It looks worse than it is. But you shouldn't go wrong.
I guess there's people just saying run that way, yeah.
Following all the way around, loop all the way around, come up here.
Have fun, you know, explore it. Yeah.
You're videoing, are you?
Yeah, but I won't put you in it unless you say it's okay. No, I'm going to fill the whole thing on my hat, so.
Okay, excellent.
Yeah.
Enjoy.
Oh.
Again, when you go to the finish token for the slide here, they'll click you in, they'll give you a barcode token at the end there with the people handing up finish token.
Okay.
I'm not sure who it is, it's Hilda there. They keep your backpack on.
Okay, yeah.
Scan your personal one first, then the place, so face then place, and then drop the finish token in. It's usually a box kicking around somewhere.
Oh yeah, I did see it.
Yeah, bucket, yeah, with the place on it. And then we're all good.
Nice one, thank you, that'll be good, thank you. Bit of warming up. So yeah, I believe there's normally around 100 people on this park run, so we'll just see how many are here and see where I rank in the table. Like I say, I expect to be around the 40-minute mark, but we'll see how we go. You? Hello, you again? Lingwood Park Run, look! And this guy's dressed up as a woolly animal because it's the 7th anniversary of this park run, 7th birthday today, so wool's the material for your 7th wedding anniversary, so that's why. And are you a couple? You got a couple? No?
Yes, we are a couple.
Are you a couple? All these are a married couple, these two, so yeah. This is going to be on the internet. I'm just asking, do you mind if it goes on there? Because I don't like to put people in it unless they're happy with it yet.
That'd be absolutely fine.
Well, he's happy with it. Come on, Will, you've got to show your face then, come on. He's in there. You're in.
Thank you very much.
You'll be on mine.
And enjoy your run.
Well, it's nice to...
What should we look it up when you...
I'll pop you a link on the Lingwood
Facebook thing, yeah.
Facebook thing, yeah.
That's superb.
Yeah. No, it's called Lex because my name's Lexi, so Lexi runs. Right, we've got to go over here now for a briefing.
Any first times to Lingwood? You've all done it before, so you don't... Oh, one person. Follow everybody else.
I'm biting my nails now.
Follow everyone. Follow the process. We're wearing, as you can see, it's our 7th anniversary. So the theme this year is wool. I think that's a good thing for the wedding anniversary. That's why we're wearing some woolly hats. And you might notice a tail walker dressed like Shaun the Sheep, Ivan, wherever he is. Wherever he is, he's around here somewhere. Tail park walker. He's there, yeah. We do have a milestone after Crampton. 100.
That's amazing. Amazing.
Last week your nose was a little bit muddy and a little bit sticky. That's to say it's not as bad as last week. Right, shall we go do some running?
Oh no. No, suck it off. We're not doing it. We're not doing it. We're not doing no running, are we, today? I'm doing a thing, yeah. So it'll be on the PARKRUN Tourism Facebook and the Lingwood Park Run thing, so. Let's go, we're off!
I really need them, but it's normally for the wind.
Okay, so the car availability at the moment, we've only just set off, but we'll see how it goes. Half's been a bit tight all week, off the back of that half marathon, but yeah, even if I stick at this pace, we'll be alright. Yeah. Got some deep heat into it last night and some massage therapy, so yeah, hopefully that'll help. Thank you. Yeah, keep going. Well done, keep going. Yeah, you too.
Good job.
Yeah. You too. Be careful down here. Yeah. Go down a bit. Off we go again. Keep going. Come on. Keep going. Thank you. One more. Thank you. So, last bit on the field and last bit on the track. Let's get going. Not too bad. Calf settled up really well, and hopefully I can run the rest of it without stopping. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Very well done indeed.
Thank you very much.
Did you
Beat it.
have the time you wanted?
Better than I thought, a lot better.
Brilliant. Well done you. Well done.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
Thank you. Well guys, I literally just sat down. So yeah, this is the data from the run. 38.57 on the Fitbit. Average of 8 or 7 a kilometre. A lot better than what I've been running. 517 calories. Working quite hard all the way. Getting into the peak zone up until the end. 85% of that peak. And yeah, the pace lap's 8:36 a kilometre to start with, so started out quite slow. Then actually warmed into it, as you can see. So I just finished the race, and yeah, run rather, it's not a race, and it was a good one. Started out on the field, as you can see, a bit leggy, grass fine to run on, and then it turned into like a stone track. We did 3 whole laps all the way around, as you can see. So a good little run there today. Did a lot better than I thought. Thought I was going to do about like 40 minutes or something like that, but did even better. So pushing on now, getting a bit of confidence back and self-belief since I did a half marathon. Leading up to that, I was a bit off. I had a dodgy ankle, but today was the first time I've run without support on it, so got my confidence back in that sense. And yeah, ability to push and not sprain it or do any further injury. So yeah, all in all, a good run, and hopefully I've showed you what the course is like. And if you're wondering about Lingwood, it might encourage you to come. But filming the.
Oh, I don't mind you film me. Otherwise,
That's the.
there you go. Thank you.
Just my little YouTube thing.
Oh,
I'm filming you, but not your face. Like I don't like to put people's faces in unless they well, if you don't mind.
no, I don't care.
Well, you'll be on YouTube then. Yeah, right.
Well done.
Lingwood Parkrun volunteers are the best. Yeah.
She did brilliant.
Really good. Really good though. A lot of encouragement by the volunteers, the stewards and that, the marshals. Everyone's been really helpful. That's what you need in it when when you're dying at the end and you just think, dressed again. Hello, beauty. This guy here. You're beautiful, aren't you? She's lovely. I mean, you're a girl, aren't you? But you're lovely, whatever you are. You're a nice one. That's a scratch underneath the back. Underneath the coat there, get it nice and rubbed there. Lovely. Coffee bar now. Get something to eat. A drink maybe. Nice coffee. People in here. Hi there. Can I get a coffee, please? It is filming. If you don't want to be in it, I won't put it in the video. They're okay with it. Happy. They're happy about it. Okay, good. But yeah, coffee. That'd be amazing. I'm gonna skip the cake because I've got my protein shake. So yeah. Well, mind you, it is quite tempting, isn't it? Look at that cake.
My favourite is this one as well.
Oh. The like flat jockey one, yeah.
That one as well.
He's sold on this.
Yeah.
What type of coffee would you like?
Like just one with milk, just good coffee here too. It's not too bad. It's like the Wetherspoons on the site. Is it Lavazza? Yeah. Anyway, cheers. Bit red in the face here, aren't I? Protein shake now. Skip the old cake and the calf. And just walk back down to the train station and get the train home. Back to Norwich now. Nice little station here. One platform on both sides, both directions. Two male blackbirds here now. Him and him. Competing, fighting. Just a little fight, aren't you, mate? Competing for territory. Competing for territory, aren't you? He thinks he's in charge now, this one. You think you're in charge? Is it your station? Hello. Greater angular, isn't it just? So I hope you've liked the video. If you have, then please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers. Big smile on my face. Good result.